Hello everyone, in this video today I'm going to scrape and collect data entry include business name, phone numbers and website address for local businesses with using Yellow Pages website. This will be a very easy process to get leads for any businesses on any category because I am going to use one of the most popular and free Google extension. I will include all links and details to get all required tools in description below. So please watch the video to the end to get all step-by-step and details. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell of notification so you will be notified first as soon as I upload a new video for all my future videos. So let's get started. So I have opened Chrome browser. Click on top left for the apps. Click on Web Store. Search for Instant Data Scraper. First one to select. I already have installed. So then type yp.com. That's mean Yellow Pages. Searching for electrician. In Peabody, Massachusetts. Click to find. Then click on this icon, Instant Data Scraper. So fast, it scraped the first page already. Red border here is all covered. Anything in red border will be scraped. And out of red border like this one, this is advertised. It's not going to scrape. But if you want, you can do this manually with the phone numbers, website. Now this one has so many pages. We need to set up. So this one right here, locate next button. Click on it. Then click on the next button right here. Once you do that and you go back again and click on start crawling. Once you click that one, it's gonna go one by one, page one by one. And meanwhile, you can do anything you want. All pages going to be scraped in background. And this is a demo purpose, so I'm going to stop it. Stop crawling. Page scraped 9. You can do more than that because I just stopped it. Row collected 270 from the last page 30 and working time 28 seconds. Now you can do download for CSV or Excel. I will do Excel. You need to remember where you're saving it. Click done, close. This is your download. Now this is the one we got. Like anything we need, we keep it. This is the website address. We're going to keep, and before that we click on enable editing. So this one has a BBB rating. That means all this website business right here, whoever has a BBB rating, they are in a good reputation. So this is by category, what service they provide, what product they provide, anything they do is right here. And this thing 1, 2, 3, we don't need it. You can hide it. So electrician, the website right here. Oh, we don't need this. Hide. This is website address, the one business website right here. This is the phone number. Some business has a 2 location or multiple locations. They have a different address. The one address right here. They have another in detail. The main office may be. And you have the idea, and you can keep whatever you need it. You can delete whatever you don't need it. So that's all about for this video today, and thank you for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in comments below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a good day. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.